Yes.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for joining. So today we are going to do body healing meditation because we know that how the thoughts they are affecting our body. The thoughts, emotions, feelings, body, mind, they are one system. So each thought which is crossing our mind, each emotion we are feeling in the body, they are affecting our organs. And we know that in detail how fear is affecting our digestive system, anger is affecting our liver. So worry and all those things they are affecting our head. So today we are going to scan our entire body and we are going to release all these negative thoughts and negative feelings. Because when these thoughts and emotions they are released, we can feel completely healthy and fit. So let us start. So we'll sit in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. I'll play some music just a moment. So let me know if the music and the voice is audible. Is the voice not very low, very high, or is it not audible? Let me know. Yes, it is okay. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. आराम से बैठ जाइए या आंखें बंद कर लीजिए and just relax your body. Bring your awareness to your breath. सबसे पहले अपना ध्यान अपनी सांसों पे लेके जाएंगे. How you are inhaling, how you are exhaling. Just keep your attention on your breath. No worries, no tension. Just become observer of your breath. केवल आपको एक साक्षी भाव से अपनी सांसों को महसूस करना है. So when you inhale, the oxygen is going in. Each and every organ of your body is completely oxygenated. Hold on for a few seconds. When you hold your breath, imagine the healing is taking place. The repair work is going on. And exhale. When you exhale, imagine all the toxins, negativity, they are going out from your entire body. जैसे आप एक्सेल करते हैं तो सारा टेंशन, सारी चिंता बाहर निकल रही है. Your body is the part of this universe. You are part of Krishna. And everything around you is connected with Krishna. Everything is energy. You're part of this nature. You're the part of this timeless perfection created by Krishna. Your body has immense healing power. can heal anything, any disease, any discomfort, any pain. It has blueprint for any kind of healing. Just have this trust, this faith in your body. It is a wonderful, wonderful tool. You have to just facilitate with the right environment. आपके शरीर में असीमित क्षमता है खुद को ठीक करने की, हील करने की. Just be aware of your body. Just relax and bring your attention to those areas where you often feel discomfort, pain, or any kind of tension, stiffness. Scan your entire body. आपके पूरे शरीर को एक बार स्कैन कीजिए. कहाँ आपको पेन, टेंशन या चिंता, डिस्कम्फर्ट महसूस होता है. And remember, your body has immense healing power. You are a powerful soul. You have unlimited healing powers within you. Just visualize your entire body as if it is in front of you. Health is very natural state of my body. Feel this inner sense of well-being. Let us start and scan this journey within. You can imagine you are at a very wonderful, peaceful place. It can be your favorite place, near the nature, near the forest, mountains. Beautiful plants are there around you. Now bring your attention to your head. आपका पूरा ध्यान आपके सर पे लेके आए. Normally we store excessive worries, overthinking in this area. जब हम बहुत ज्यादा ओवर थिंकिंग करते हैं, चिंता करते हैं, we create headache or migraine. When you inhale, just imagine a beautiful white light is coming from Krishna's lotus feet. And this light is falling on your head. ये light आपके सर पे आती है. And remember, you are pure consciousness. This light is healing you. Excessive worry is just moving away. You are releasing excessive worry from your head. And you are filled with soothing, quiet energy. जो भी चिंता है, देखिए इस वाइट लाइट की मदद से, कृष्ण की कृपा की मदद से आप सब रिलीज कर रहे हैं. यू ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, यू ट्रस्ट कृष्ण. I'm doing my best and I trust the process of life. There's nothing to worry. Take a deep breath in. Inhale the trust and exhale the worries. Now bring your attention to your face and skin. Focus on your face, the facial muscles and skin. So whenever we are feeling shameful and we are having self-judgment, मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता, अच्छी नहीं दिखती, how is my complexion, how are my hairs, my skin, I'm not good enough, I'm not beautiful. These kind of feelings, our emotions, they create a lot of kind of pimples and skin diseases in the body. So today we are going to accept ourselves as we are, as I am. Tell yourself, I accept myself the way I am. I am creation of Krishna. I love and accept myself. I am part of Krishna's creation. Inhale deeply and exhale all the shame, self-judgment from your body. And your entire face, the skin is filled with white light. Your face is glowing because you have accepted yourself the way you are. Slowly, we will bring our attention to our throat. Focus on your throat. So whenever we suppress our expressions and we feel insecure, throat is getting affected. जब भी हम अपने इमोशंस को दबाते हैं, उन्हें बोलते नहीं है, एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते हैं, इनसिक्योर फील करते हैं बार बार, तो हमें थ्रोट से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. So now tell yourself, I can express myself freely and confidently. I have power to express myself. I trust myself. And inhale the expression, I can communicate freely. I'm confident. I'm a very good communicator. And release all kinds of insecurity and suppression. Now bring your attention, focus to your heart region. When we feel any kind of rejection, emotional pain, it affects our heart. Place your attention to your heart. जब भी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई मुझे प्रेम नहीं करता या मैं प्रेम के लायक नहीं, तो हार्ट अफेक्ट होता है. Now affirm, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. My heart is open. I give love easily. I accept love easily. Whatever experiences are happening in our life, they're the part of nature, natural process of life. I am just an observer of my experiences. तो बोलना है, जो भी मेरे जीवन में हो रहा है, मैं उसे दृष्टा भाव से देखती हूँ. I just observe my thoughts and emotions and sensation without reacting to it. because I know that they will come and I'm not my thoughts, I'm not my emotions, I'm pure consciousness, observer of my thoughts, observer of my feelings. Take a deep breath in and release and feel the white light, the blessing of Krishna is healing you, energizing you, blessing you. Your heart region is now glowing with white light. Now bring your attention to your respiratory system, chest, lungs. So when we store any kind of grief, sadness, when we feel so much sadness and grief, our breathing is getting affected. जब भी हम बहुत दुखी रहते हैं या बहुत शोक में रहते हैं तो हमारे फेफड़े अफेक्ट होते हैं. So today release any kind of grief and sadness which is affecting your lungs. Allow yourself to heal. My lungs are open to peace. My lungs, they can easily breathe. Take a deep breath in and fill your entire respiratory system with white light, Krishna's blessings. It's blessing you, it's blessing your respiratory system, healing and energizing your lungs, your respiratory system. It's filled with white light, it's glowing with white light. Now bring your focus, your attention to your shoulder or neck. So when we take too much more responsibility, unnecessary responsibilities, it creates stiffness, tightness in this area. Inhale the white light and exhale the tension. It is melting away. I release this. Now my body is relaxed. My shoulders are getting softened. अननेसेसरी जब आप बर्डन लेते हैं किसी काम का तो हमारे शोल्डर और नेक को बहुत बुरा असर पड़ता है. उसे रिलीज कीजिए. ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइफ. जस्ट डू योर बेस्ट, डू योर ड्यूटी एंड ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ लाइफ. डेलीगेट द वर्क. सब कुछ आपको खुद को करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, दूसरों को भी काम दे सकते हैं. शेयर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. रिलीज द स्ट्रेस. Wonderful, very good. आपका मन इधर उधर भटके, come back. Maybe your mind is wandering here and there. Come back and connect with your body. This body is very important instrument to serve Krishna. Now inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now bring your attention to your stomach area. When any kind of fear, anxiety is there, when we experience any kind of anxiety, it gets stored in the digestive system, stomach. Today we are going to release this fear. Inhale deeply and see your stomach is filled with this white light. My digestion is becoming smoother and smoother. My stomach is healing. मेरा digestion ठीक हो रहा है, बहुत ही smoothly चल रहा है. Any kind of acidity, it is dissolving. अगर आपको कभी ऐसे whenever we are so much fearful, worried, it creates acid reflex. So today I am resolving. My liver, where the anger is getting stored or frustration is getting stored, and this white light is cleansing my liver. आपको पूरा ध्यान अपने digestive system पे रखना है. Bring your focus, your attention to your digestive system, and this beautiful white light of Krishna's blessings, mercy is energizing, healing my digestive system. So when this white light is filled into your stomach, my pancreas, it is balanced, my blood sugar level is regulated. My gallbladder, if there is any bitterness, today I am releasing that bitterness from my gallbladder. Because this bitterness converts into different kinds of diseases, stones. Take a deep breath in and remove the anger. Release the bitterness. Release the fear. We all are energy. We all are connected with each other. When we are having these negative emotions towards ourselves or others, we are creating diseases for ourselves. My body is suffering. So today I decide to release these emotions, unwanted emotions. Visualize my adrenaline gland is completely restored. My cortisol levels are balanced. My nervous system is resting now. तो हमारी जो एड्रेनलिन ग्लैंड होती है, जो हमारा कॉर्टिसोल लेवल है, जो किडनी से रिलीज होता है, वो एकदम बैलेंस्ड है. मेरा नर्वस सिस्टम जो कि फाइट फ्लाइट मोड को ऑन करता है, कंप्लीटली बैलेंस्ड एंड रेस्टिंग इन पीस. Inhale this white light, which is doing all the repair work, curing your organs, and release the stress. My digestive system is completely smooth like a river, smoothly flowing like a river. It is working efficiently, perfectly. My diet is regulated. I eat sattvic food. And my digestion is super, completely efficient to digest anything what I eat. आपका डाइजेशन बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. My gut is my second brain. All my body cells, they are getting nutrition. My blood is getting purified. My immune system is getting stronger. मेरा जो रक्त है जो प्यूरिफाई हो रहा है, मेरा इम्यून सिस्टम मजबूत बन रहा है. Remember, our thoughts create our reality. Whatever we are visualizing, it's actually happening inside your body. जो भी आप visualize कर रहे हैं, वो सच में आपकी body के अंदर हो रहा है. My body is healing. Now bring your attention to your lower back. So whenever we are feeling guilty, Whenever we are worried about our finances, any kind of financial insecurity creates lower back pain. So today, release any kind of insecurity. You are completely supported by Krishna. Just do your best. Today, I release this insecurity, this guilt that I am not enough. I have not done enough. मैं मुझसे नहीं होगा, मैंने नहीं किया या मैंने गलतियां की है. So inhale this white light and see your lower back is becoming stronger. Krishna is giving his full support. Fill this area with white light until I'm becoming stronger. I'm supported by Krishna. I'm supported by higher powers. Last, bring your attention to your knees, to your legs. So whenever we feel stubbornness, resistance towards change, our knees are getting affected. It creates knee pain in our body. So let us release the stubbornness, resistance, embrace the flexibility and humility. Inhale this beautiful feeling of flexibility, humility, and feel the white light is filling my entire legs, knees with flexibility. I trust the process of life. My knees are becoming relaxed and stronger. Now scan your entire body. If anywhere in your body any kind of discomfort is there, just become aware which kind of emotion or feeling or thoughts are getting stuck over there. And today, once and for all, release them. And remember, you are a powerful soul. You are pure consciousness. You have immense healing powers. So we'll stop comparing ourselves from others. I today take this resolution. I will not compare myself with others. All those comparisons, they are burned. They're completely gone. Any kind of fear, they are gone. Guilt disappeared. Today, release these emotions. We understand we are human beings and emotions they come and go. So let us, whenever they come, process them and release them in this manner. And you will find yourself, you are becoming more and more powerful every day, more and more confident every day. इमोशंस है वो आएंगे लेकिन उनको स्टोर नहीं करना है, उनको प्रोसेस कीजिए और रिलीज कीजिए. So I am getting clarity in my life. Just let us affirm. I am getting clarity in my life. I am a confident person. I am courageous person. I am an action taker.
I am an action taker.
I own my life.
I own my life.
I am capable of taking the right decision in my life.
I'm capable to taking right decision in my life.
जो भी मैं डिसाइड करती हूँ उसे पूरा करती हूँ. जो भी मैं ठान लेता हूँ मैं उसे पूरा करता हूँ. I am not depending on others. I do not seek validation or approval from others. I am enough. को बोलना है, आई एम इनफ, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ कृष्णा, आई एम प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस. Krishna is guiding me. And feel the lightness in your body. Your entire body is radiating with beautiful white light. Now you are operating from your higher self. Now tell yourself, I am vibrant and healthy. My body is completely fit. मैं पूरी तरह स्वस्थ हूँ, एनर्जेटिक हूँ, फिट हूँ. My body has everything I need to heal myself now and forever. मेरी बॉडी को वो सब कुछ पता है, उसे कैसे ठीक करना है, कैसे हील करना है. I have to just trust my body. I have to just trust Krishna and process of life. My body is getting stronger and resilient. And I have ability to create a bright future. आप इस स्वस्थ शरीर के साथ एक ब्राइट फ्यूचर क्रिएट करने की क्षमता रखते हैं. Wonderful. Take a deep breath in. Feel the lightness in the body. And now rub your palms and slowly you can open your eyes. Sorry it was little longer, but let me know if you could do it. आप कर पाए मुझे बताइए. And how are you feeling? Whenever you feel any kind of emotion, just visualize this white light and release it. No need to store that emotion in the body, because we know that in long run it is going to create horrible diseases in the body. Cancer and whatever, diabetes, arthritis, autoimmune disorder. They're nothing but the result of negative thoughts and emotions. Thank you so much for your precious time. On Sunday morning also you woke up early. आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. So we'll meet tomorrow. So keep doing this meditation whenever, it is very powerful meditation to heal your body. जब भी आपको टाइम मिलता है, just scan your body where I am feeling uncomfortable and understand what is the reason and release it. Remember, you are observer. आप दृष्टा भाव से खुद को देखिए. Thoughts and emotions, they will come and go. You are pure consciousness, part of Krishna. Thank you. Thank you so much. So have a wonderful day ahead, Krishna conscious day ahead. Somebody told me one day that जब आप अकेले होते हैं तो कृष्णा से बात कीजिए, जब आप किसी के साथ होते हैं तो कृष्णा से बात कीजिए. So whenever you are alone, talk to Krishna, and whenever you are with someone, talk about Krishna. This is called Krishna consciousness, right? So thank you. Have a blissful day ahead. Hare Krishna.